Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a boot review and unboxing of the Timberland Solar Ridge GORE-TEX hikers. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at these Timberland mid-hiker boots. These are the Solar Ridge GORE-TEX mid-hikers, and we got this in a black nubuck camo colorway. We got this in a UK size 8. Oh, forgive me, it's a UK size 7.5. It's a US men's size 8, and it's European size 41.5. Here they are. These are your modern day hikers, made with great leathers. Oops. Now we'll get into all those details, but to begin with, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole here, and it's heavily lugged. It's great for the traction, to get your grip on whilst you're doing your hikes around the mountains or the wilderness. The midsole unit, so this midsole unit, you can see it here, is made out of Timberland's GREENSTRIDE, and that is a renewably sourced materials. It's made out of 75% of renewable materials. Essentially, it is a foam, so we'll be using a lot of recycled foams, but it's there for your comfort. And there is a lot of characteristics found on these boots that help make Timberland be sustainable and using renewable resources, which is great for the environment, great for earth, and helps Timberland with their, hopefully reduce their waste. Move along onto the uppers. So this upper is made out of this premium nubuck. The majority, you can see it all around with the black nubuck uppers. But what sets it apart to any other kind of nubucks that you can find on the market is that this nubuck is made out of, well, it's made in association with the better leather, and that is the sustainable tanneries. So these bits of leather, these nubucks, are made out of sustainable leathers. We look more onto the upper, so you can see that it has the GORE-TEX logo. Obviously these are GORE-TEX hikers. This incorporates GORE-TEX's membrane, so it helps it be waterproof and breathable. And you can see it looks like a booty construction if you look at this silhouette. Anyway, but it helps it be completely waterproof. You know what you expect when you have GORE-TEX. When it comes to GORE-TEX clothing, GORE-TEX boots, they're designed to be waterproof. A lot of Timberland boots are waterproof, but to have that added GORE-TEX stamp of approval, you know you're going to keep your feet warm and dry. Looking at the lacing system, so this lacing system is a quick lace system with round laces. It uses rust-proof hardware, obviously designed to be worn in wet weather and any kind of terrain. It won't rust. The little parts on the medial and the lateral side and the mid-foot here with the camo, that's made out of textile materials, but it's still waterproof. The suedes, you can see bits of hairy suedes in this olive color. So on these panels, you can find it in the collar and on the mid and the medial and the lateral side. Did that the other way around. But you can see the Timberland logo there, the tree. The tongue, very nicely padded. The front is made out of the same nubuck materials, and it's gusseted to help keep any dirt and debris out. Same can be said about the height of the collar. You won't get anything inside there. Very nicely padded as well. The pull tabs, obviously you want to get your feet easily in these boots. Here, if you look in the inside, you've got the Timberland logo on a textile unit on the insole. Now these were obviously designed for the outdoors. It says it right there on the Timberland boot, if you can't tell already. These are these modern hiking boots. it's great to see, especially with Timberland, a brand that is pushing for their sustainable materials and to be reducing waste, which is great to see from a brand like Timberland, one of those big brands. I can't wait to try these on. These are really, I mean, they're not heavy, they're rugged. They're not as heavy as I'm gesturing it out to be. Very cool looking as well. Very vibrant colors. You're very sure to stick out in your hikes, your runs. Well, I don't recommend running in these, but especially in your hikes. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to fit, guys, maybe you should go half size down, but these being a UK size 7.5, it does kind of fit. My feet are here. I do feel like it's a bit spacious when it comes to the sides, but other than that, I do feel like my feet are very locked in. It feels very comfortable. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mean, you should expect comfortable hiking boots, because if you're gonna be on your feet walking through various terrains, the least you can expect from boot manufacturers is for your feet to be comfortable. So thumbs up from me when it comes to that. And these look really vibrant on. Looks a bit weird on the sides. You can see the heel extend a bit too much. But other than that, I'm very satisfied with these boots. Might be going on a few more hikes with these on. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.